2 p.m. This I will not allow. 2 p.m.
All right, getting something. Breaking updates coming in right now. Viewers, once again, after Lok Sabha being adjourned, now the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned. Viewers, back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV, and this is coming in as we saw in the Rajya Sabha, Kiren Rijiju speaking there, and he has clearly said, backing what Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal had said in the Lok Sabha. He had said that it is the Congress who have disrespected B.R. Ambedkar. Remember that in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, there's a heated debate and a lot of ruckus which is happening when it comes to Home Minister's remark on B.R. Ambedkar. Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, also the Lok Sabha, objected to Congress MPs carrying pictures of B.R. Ambedkar. You can see those pictures on your screen where you can see the India MPs are staging a protest holding pictures of B.R. Ambedkar. So, Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has said and objected to Congress MPs carrying these pictures of B.R. Ambedkar, saying that the party has always insulted Baba Saheb and had no respect for him. So, a very fiery session once again. And I want to go to Riyanka. Riyanka, pictures coming in. Pictures of India MPs holding up pictures of B.R. Ambedkar. The law minister is saying that this itself shows disrespect. Go ahead, Riyanka.
Absolutely. Now, the fact that the Indie MPs, as they had protested near the parliament premises, they were seen holding pictures of B.R. Ambedkar, and this is what has been, in fact, taken into account and being raised in both the houses, in the Lok Sabha as the Rajya Sabha as well, where there was, in fact, a massive disruption and a ruckus that was being created regarding the statement of Home Minister Amit Shah, claiming the fact that the opposition uses the name of B.R. Ambedkar, which has become a new fashion. Now, what we in fact saw that both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha have been adjourned till 2 p.m. over these ruckus that has been created. Now, we also heard Arjun Ram Meghwal, who has in fact said in the Lok Sabha that it is the Congress party who had disrespected Baba Saheb, and also the fact that it was under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi that so much work is being done in order to keep his legacy on. In fact, in the Rajya Sabha as well, we saw a very, very fiery argument underway with Kiren Rijiju saying the fact that it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who made a person from minority as a law minister, and it was the Congress party that did not even let him enter the parliament back then. Also, the fact that it is the Congress who are misusing the name of B.R. Ambedkar and disrespecting him. So today, this is the main issue that keeps the BJP and the Congress in loggerheads regarding who at this point in time respecting Baba Saheb. It is the war of words going on between the Congress and the BJP. Each of these two parties telling each other that it is the BJP who has disrespected from the side of the Congress, and on the other hand, it is the NDA that says it is the Congress party who has never ever respected the legacy of B.R. Ambedkar.
All right. Okay.